Fantastic. You know, our fire department has been a big part of this car show. Make sure you check out Station 44's antique fire truck in the Hennessy's parking lot. You know, this is a 1956 Chevy Nomad. Am I doing that right? Yep, Chevy Nomad original. Very well done. It's space M173 Bill Rucker. Bill. M173.
Yeah, it is. I don't know how long.
Here. So, Best of Show is going to be one of the cars, and right now we're going to choose who is the next car to go on the T-shirt. We're going to have Fred Schultz. Fred Schultz is right here. Fred, my buddy Fred here is the owner of the 59 TR3. That's it. Fred's all right there, and we'd love to have Fred do the drawing for the next